So in this kit, you'll get 10 discs, 10 pipelets, 4 squeeze bottles, 2 caps, 2 stainless steel rods with 3 nuts on each end, 2 3-inch PVC soap molds. And what you're gonna have to do when you first get your kit is cut each one of these pipelets off so they can fit on your bottle there. And a lot of people tape these. You might want to just throw a ring of tape. I would just use black electrical tape. It should stick the best on this plastic. And then each one of these, you're going to want to pull the paper off. So there's paper on both sides. And I don't have fingernails, but just catch the end of it. Let me see. Catch a spot in there and get it to where you can start pulling this paper off. And it's sticky adhesive. Some of these will smell because they're cut with a laser, but once you get this paper pulled off, a lot of the smell is the burnt plastic on the paper. So do that on both sides. With your rods, you're gonna take one nut off, put it, these are side mounts, so they're gonna mount on the side here. Put it through the hole that's meant, put it down, and then tighten these two. And it shouldn't move after that. So, like I said, just take one off, and then that'll sit like that. Sometimes also, I forgot to mention, you can cut this little tip off if you want more flow through each one of these squeeze bottles. And for these, you're gonna need a flat screwdriver, and these hose clamps you're gonna want to loosen up all the way because they're kind of hard to get on there. So loosen your hose clamp off there, and once you get it all loose, put it on there. And they're really tight at first. The more you use them, the easier it will get. Ugh. Sometimes it might just be easier. Get it started, and then once you get it started, make sure it's shoved down in there all the way. And I might just have to loosen this hose clamp up a little bit more. I would just go all the way to where it's, there we go. And just make sure it's down in there all the way. And you could also flip it over and just press, and then tighten this up once you got it on there. So once you get it on there, then you can put your, to pour, you're gonna wanna alternate each color. And just make sure these are tight. Set it in there, and then set up your pipelets and your bags and your colors. And say you got a shorter mold, you might want to cut these pipelets. And another trick I've learned, you can't see down this hole very well. So what I do is I got a headset flashlight that I use, and then it helps me just so I can see in there. So you just kind of keep alternating colors, and that's what all this kit has in it. So anyway, thanks for watching.